point ones. Because it means you only get stomped for a little bit if you get nagged.
Alright, they're gonna run a Widow. The indoor one, probably. And Fist to go when we play indoors.
Fist?
The
Fist.
Does anyone here know how to play Doomfist?
I do.
Cool. Sweet as.
Chief beef.
Indeed.
Yeah, I don't like getting headshot.
It's
Don't
not enjoyable.
be where she can see you. Just
I
Yeah.
try, but then she ends up being. I don't realize where she is, and then she.
no, just no.
Yeah, I'll just activate my wall hacks. Yeah, sure. Let's go. Hold right click.
Oh no, you break walk in front of the other one. Or bring in Moira. Moira can just dash everywhere. Elite Viper. Oh, there's subbing some. Nah. Oh, no, he's a Reinhardt main. I'm not sure. Hey Angel, can you unhide your profile? Thanks. Yay.
Do you guys hide chat?
No.
Oh man, yeah, I guess you guys gotta talk to me too. I turn it off for scrims. Because, you know.
Don't need to talk to the enemy team.
Yeah. And they might shit talk, which is always fun.
Traveling to Nepal.
Chief beef. Oh no.
Prepare for battle. Select
We
your hero.
Gucci.
I think this is the one I want to do hard on.
Ducky. Lucio main. Yeah, Lucio's fine.
Yeah, I like Reinhardt on this one.
Hey.
Mario Massey. Overgate.
Really, I like Reinhardt on both, except Sanctum. Sanctum is still not bad, I just prefer Winston.
Okay.
I don't know. XP.
More XP.
It is, yeah. Shit.
What do
Is
you want
that-
me to play?
What? Why is it? What? Big Nerd joined.
What's up?
Oh,
If you
Wait, no, what?
maybe try requesting invite to a group.
because I invited Big Nerd. Yeah.
I was like waiting for you guys to
Yeah.
tell me. But I didn't get it.
What off tank do we want here?
Oh.
Zara, sweet as.
Hello.
Are you going top
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, top right, top right.
If they're going Widow, they won't go. Oh, Widow won't go to right. Yeah.
What are these two
Just
support
watch out for
randoms
the
on our
flame
team?
strike, maybe. They run Reinhardt. Oh, easy.
No, he's gonna reflect mine.
I didn't reflect.
I'm just.
Easy clap.
Oh!
The Genji's dead.
I have no idea how I died.
Ash is half.
I have very low health. Rip.
Back up. Back up. I don't want to lose my charge.
Damn it! I tried
Damn.
to keep you alive. But...
They raised Genji.
Yeah.
No, we didn't kill the Ryan, I don't think.
No. No.
No, he got real low. Then Barry just died.
Right,
too.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't even like just. Yeah, flame strike and
Easy clap.
Zarya real life.
Shattering.
Nice.
Easy clap.
I'm going
She's
point.
down
Cap
main.
that. Capping point.
Cool. Just couldn't get. Already. He's so quick.
Charge gets you to like all of the way.
Arc brain, big brain.
Are they main? They're main.
Yeah.
Jump down, jump down, jump down, Ryan, jump down.
I have heals. I'm gonna die.
Oh fuck, I got pinned. Huge bubble.
Bob coming there for the butt.
Get Zarya, get Zarya, get Zarya, get Zarya. Lucio wasted ultimate. Easy clap.
I need healing on point.
He reflected the
Right,
coach
touchdown.
That'd be so far. Mercy,
Mercy,
real
mercy, mercy, mercy.
Oh, Ash main. She's just poking back through.
Ow.
They've got 3 players there. I need more healing, by the way. I know, but like in general.
Reloading. Yeah, after
My
like a
shield's
fat-
almost gone. I have to. Yeah. Shit, it broke. Shit, it broke.
Ah, no, my body!
I didn't put it down in time.
Don't worry, we win this fight easy if I land a good grab. Back up or die, you two. Or stay hidden.
Should be okay.
Fuck.
Interesting.
You killed him!
You played yourself.
Go speed him. Ow.
Zaya's top right.
They're both.
Yeah,
There's
let's get
3
main.
top right.
Main.
Yeah, if you go under the Reinhardt's all still.
Yep.
Oh, Genji ran back.
He's one.
Ash.
Stolo. Puncher.
What?
Puncher did it. Alright, let's go up top.
You'd still like shoot for like damage, yeah.
They're probably. Someone's far left. Lucio's far left.
Yeah, he's getting ready to touch. Let's just go point.
Them. Pinned Lucio. Fuck, didn't get into a wall though. Shattering.
Lucio down.
above. Shoot.
Ash 1 HP, dead.
Pinned Reinhardt.
Can't heal you from here.
Bob did so much.
Did you get Oh yeah, you got stunned. You can beat drop. Alright, everyone group up. We can win next fight easy. As long as group up, we win next fight. We just win.
I need heals. Yep. Genji's flanking. Helping you, Zach.
Block the shatter. Pinned Ryan.
Focus Ryan.
Ash above. So
I almost have shatter. Shattering. They blocked it. He's really low.
Get mercy.
Nice.
Reinhardt's up.
Oh, I got pinned.
Ash is one. Ash is dead. Nice.
Careful. Lucio. Oh.
Push off. Score 1-0.
Good stuff.
The big boy.
Great XD.
Yep, I was gonna suggest exactly that, Nick. They might run Widow here though.
I'm using that. Oh, that won't.
They might.
Could.
I'm gonna play this character, and I'm gonna throw by playing this character.
It'll just mean healers probably can't peek main too much.
Someone's
Oh, coming
on
left, they left, they left, they dive.
Yeah,
They
they've
do
got
have a Widow.
Winston Dino. Huge.
Winston.
Widow on left, sitting by elephant.
Yep. I need so much healing.
I'm trying.
I know.
I did. Oh jeez.
You can win this. Get on point.
Yeah, they're all.
I ran
Just-
out of heal. Jeez.
They've only got Lucio heals, and he's on point.
They have Mercy heals. Mercy's one. With fire strike.
He's got no. Yeah. Oh, go away, Lucio.
Shit.
King of stupid stall strats.
Oh, Widow.
Yeah.
She's
Main.
behind the
Left
like
side.
elephants. Yeah.
They're probably gonna go far left.
They are.
They don't
far.
got no stuns.
Yeah. Recharging shield for a bit.
Oh, I'm bad.
Ulting.
Nice. I'll be at the fight soon. Wrecking Ball's
Yeah,
insane.
I have Shadow. Yeah.
I'm healing Bob.
Shattering. Got both tanks.
Oh shoot.
On the
Trying to
right.
look for her. Where'd she go?
Oh, even so low, got it.
On our side of point now.
Winston's real low. Winston's real
Oh,
low.
I can't believe she hasn't
got
got
Widow.
me.
We got a Genji ulting me. He's on right of point.
He's in my trap.
Yeah, got
Nice.
Did I put it there specifically for that, dude?
Winston on me.
Can we get
Big
Mercy?
brain.
She's up top.
I can't really reach Mercy. Widow's sitting
I've
main.
got vision
Widow
as well.
main.
Yeah.
Get Mercy, she's standing still.
Mercy's half. Nice.
Fuck. Beats
Widow's
that.
half. Widow's one. Widow's one. Widow's
Lucio,
one. Widow's
top
one.
of
Widow's
pillar.
one. Widow's one at the back. She's literally one. She's literally one. Fucking someone punch her. Okay.
I got her.
still there.
Sure.
Yeah, just
Widow's far left.
Yeah.
My
She's
shield's
yeah,
half.
peeking all the way left.
there's a Sombra. Yeah, Sombra over here.
Pinned Lucio.
Ulting.
Oh, I got headshot by Widow.
Widow's half. Widow's half.
Baby Diva behind, 1 HP.
I'm hacked.
Oh, well.
Widow on right by elephant.
That's left, but okay.
No.
Far. Yeah, I'm dead.
I'm dead too.
Got Lucio.
Oh my god, silence lasts so long.
He's in the
Oh,
trap.
I'm going. Actually, no. Wait.
Can you just fucking kill me, thanks?
I'm gonna ult. Then I'll probably switch to Zarya.
Yeah.
Hill pressure.
Should we just go in with Trank? They don't have anything that we really want to counter with it.
Cool. Switching.
Just don't.
No, Pete.
That's how I died.
All right,
Yeah,
I'm gonna
that's
flank. I'm
fine.
gonna flank and then make them feel better.
Shut up, gotta go.
Alright. Let's go.
I got hacked.
I suck. I used my dodge even though I shouldn't have too early. And I died by the diva bomb.
Score.
Yeah, you know for next time.
1-1.
Yeah. Well, I've been dodging it every other time. It's just that was the first time. I'm like, damn it.
I have not returned here for many years. I wonder if my brothers and sisters will be pleased to see me.
I'm playing.
I think I want to play Winston on this one.
Wait, what did you say I should go to?
Check this out.
I'm already tracing.
5, 4, 2, 1. Capture the objective.
She used the team.
Go left side, left.
I think the Mercy is getting pretty free.
They're going for a boob.
Hog hook down.
Oh, ooh.
I got pulled. I had to leap on point. to
That's
dodge it.
fine.
Mercy almost dead. Mercy almost dead.
Oh, I'm getting knocked
Mercy almost
everywhere.
dead still.
Yeah.
Orisa? Fucking kill Orisa!
Heal.
Yeah, I died early.
Wait, I think it Ash already. What? They got McCree and stuff there.
Hog hook down.
Going hard.
Up the tempo. Time for an encore.
They got the mega damage, yeah.
Mega damage dead.
And they got the McCree to counter.
Damn it. Yeah, I thought it.
Zach, you could. Wait, are you the one that's still over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we want to go? Do we want to go Zarya,
Shot to the
Ryan
side.
Zarya instead of us?
Ulting.
Yeah. I'm ulting.
Orisa 1.
Cool.
I'm dead.
Kill them, kill them. No one's going for them. What? The 3 behind.
So it's Mercy. We got Ash on our right. Home right on our side.
Damn it.
I can bubble in 5.
Mercy,
Mercy
Mercy
one.
hog. You want to switch to Ryan?
I almost have ult.
Alright, never mind then.
I'm gonna punch him off the edge.
And
Yeah,
he's
punch,
we have
punch
4
him off.
ult.
fastest. Monkey. Doesn't look like they're on main.
They're coming
It looks like
right, it looks like.
oh, someone's on main. Luso's all the way behind. What's he doing?
Yeah, they're main, they're main.
McCree back on left.
Orisa dead. I'm on Ash. I'll be able
Barrier.
to kill her. I'll be able to. I'm fine.
Oh, I'm dead.
Mercy dead.
I'm switching to Zarya.
Orisa dead.
I'm gonna bulb spawn. Oh, Lucio behind.
To your left.
We're at overtime, keep them off point.
Cool. Oh, we won.
Is that game?
Yeah.
Score 2-1.
Time to accelerate.
We're back here.
I am loving this.
Baby, 1 sec, don't start it up.
This isn't letting us see plays or giving us XP. It's bullshit.
I know, right? It's the only reason I scrim these days. Why didn't Ryan just stay in chat and listen to comms?
I don't know.
Well, he's playing Osu. Okay, never mind. Wait, how is he doing both?
Did
Zach.
wow.
Because I'm back in Zach. Yes, I'm back inside of Zach.
It's more of a way of life, really.
It's more of a recreation.